guys saw in the intro, I did get this wig from Xrsbeauty. It says XRS, but it's pronounced Xrsbeauty. And I did go ahead and do the bleach bath to get it this chocolate brown.
5 minutes later.
And I already went ahead and pre-flat ironed it on my mannequin head. Make sure y'all stay tuned to hear about their bottom price as well as their Black Friday deal. You don't want to miss it. What we're here to talk about today is the lace in the hairline. I have fallen in love with this style of lace. This is what's called their new clear lace and clean hairline. So the lace on this wig is a part of their new clear lace. I'm going to show you the difference. This is regular brown lace, and I'm just going to put this on tuck it under my cap and show you guys it on my head. Although regular brown lace isn't bad on me because I know how to camouflage it, it does have like that gray tint to it. Here is regular transparent lace. A lot of us get these with wigs and then we have to put so much foundation on it. And as you can see, the lace is nice, but it is showing kind of white on my skin tone. So this, I would have to put quite a bit of foundation on it to get it to blend. I don't know how they did it and why they haven't been doing it, but this is the new clear lace. What a lace at? Where's the lace? Okay, now just look at the difference. And I'm going to go one step further and hit my arm with this lace bond. Regular brown. Regular transparent, and then the new clear lace. This is kind of awkward, but hopefully you guys get to see the differences between the three. As you can see, the new clear lace just melts into my hand, while the others, you can definitely see them. Okay, so here is the wig. I didn't have to bleach the knots. They came bleached already. But when I did the bleach bath, they did lighten just a little bit. Just look at this lace and hairline. Perfect. I'm in love already. You get tons of parting space. I was able to even create a deep side part with the amount of parting space you get, even though it's like really deep in the middle and not on the sides. Look how this lace just blends into my skin. I don't want to make y'all wait any longer, so Xrsbeauty's Black Friday sale will be 20% off of the bottom price. You can save around $70 off of one wig. And after you place your order, you can be entered into a drawing to win your free order or free gift. And you can even win more coupons by spending their lucky wheel on their website. So make sure you guys go over to Xrsbeauty, check them out. And I am going to jump in and install this beautiful hair. Okay, so here's the finished look of the Xrsbeauty install. I think I did a bomb job. Practice make perfect. I'm only getting better, and these new clear lace is only making it even better. So this is how everything came out, and I really love how it looks. Love this chocolate brown color on me, perfect for the season. I'll have all of the information on this wig as well as direct links to Xrsbeauty Hair Don't forget to check out their Black Friday bottom price 20% off sale, as well as their free gift and extra coupons on the site. Hope you guys enjoy it. Love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.